Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and the markets get rocked. This is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, December 16th, 2018, and on Friday, the markets were down, Dow was down nearly 500 points, a big drop. Actually, the start of December, this is the worst we have ever seen in 38 years. And this is a crazy start to our December. Very bearish, but take a look here. We're in negative territory with the NASDAQ down 2.4%. That's huge drop, guys. Huge drop. Financials down nearly 1%. Everybody else down almost 2%. US dollar slightly higher. Crude oil down 3.5%. Silver lower by more than 1%. Gold slightly lower. VIX increasing 4.75%. We're over at 21.6, and Bitcoin at 3,200. Anyways, take a look here at the markets. This is problem city here on the spiders. We broke all sorts of support. Look at this. Huge drop. This big blue trend line broke it. This red line coming across broke it. This horizontal line coming across broke it. Big time drop. We were down here in this area on October 29th. We were down lower than that here December 10th. The question is, will this drop down lower? I think we could be at 256 very, very quickly here, guys. So we could have a sizable sell-off yet. And it looks really bearish out there. You do not want to have longs going. The diamonds, the Dow 30 broke all sorts of support. Bad things. I'll tell you guys, if you go to Grok Trade, click on the trend line class right there. You will understand after taking that class why these trend lines are critically important. You have to follow them. And it is a science, it is not an art. The trend lines have to be drawn correctly, precisely, to have any sort of accurate reading of what's taking place in the markets. I've been trading this February 21 years using technical analysis. I don't know very many people out there that are chartists, who are technicians like me, who have been trading this long and still in the markets. If you look here at the NASDAQ broke this minor trend line. We have this big symmetrical triangle. We have this major trend line here. What will it do this week? If it breaks that, woe to the markets. Woe to the market, especially if the NASDAQ, the Qs get below 158.5. Watch that level. Russell's 2,000 bleeding out, guys. Down. It is in trouble. Whatever this is doing, expect the rest of the markets to do. It is looking bad out there. Financials down. But we have a doji, almost like it's finding like it wants to go higher. Gravestone doji at the bottom of a run. This could be a bullish formation. Look, this thing could pop. I'm almost tempted to put a buy on this thing, but I'm not willing to do that yet. This could be a buy signal. If so, that will bring the rest of the markets higher and expect upside movement. And if it happens, we're in dire need to see that happen. And if it does happen, that may heal the market. But it's going to have to be a big time movement to the upside with big time volume. If we don't see that, the odds are against this market. You should not have any longs going in this market. Be in cash. US dollar, I have a buy on it. It's hitting resistance. We're just at a resistance area on this. We're caught in this consolidation. Crude oil, got a buy on it, but going sideways. This is a diamond pattern on crude oil. You can see the diamond here. Diamond pattern at the low. So that's pretty bearish, guys. Pretty bearish. Matter of fact, so bearish, I'm going to put a sell on it. Silver I have a buy on it. Ooh, big drop Friday, but it did. Buyers came in. I'm going to stay with that. Gold, same thing. It did drop, but at support and buyers came in. I'll stay with my buy. VIX, got a buy on it. It pulled back. It started to bounce here. I'm expecting more of a bounce. However, this tells me that this could start dropping. I don't know, man. Is bearish as it looks out there, there's a good chance, guys, we could start seeing some bullish activity soon. But I don't know if there's going to be enough to save the market. Quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like a buy to me. I got a buy on this, but this is a falling wedge. I've made more money off of falling wedges than any other pattern. And I'm not saying this is going to go higher, guys, but this formation, it has a better chance of going up than down right now. This is looking for a bottom. That's what that's looking for. Overall, guys, just be looking to be in cash in this market because it looks bad out there. And it was great. Met up with some people in Georgia. As you guys remember, I was there last week in Georgia. And yeah, so it was great meeting up with some of you guys. One of them is Matt, and you can actually see Matt. I did an impromptu video of him. If you go to facebook.com/Grok Trading, you'll see a video I put of Matt there. He had no idea I was getting ready to throw a camera in his face, but he gets to share his experiences with trading and with Grok Trade. But he has a business. And I'm part of this, okay? I'm going to share this with you. I'm sharing with you the other side of me. I have a finance side, but I'm very much entrepreneur also. I'm an entrepreneur. And there's this product here. If you look at that, I don't know if you guys can see, Hall of Famer, 4-time heavyweight world champion, and legend in WWE champion, and legend in WWF. That's pro wrestling. So he was a cage fighter and also a pro wrestler. And he's my business partner in a couple of ventures that I'm a part of. Well, one of the guys who's been following me longer than any of you, his name's Matt, and he went by Matt Creative or something. Watch his video and he'll talk about that. But he owns a company called Pocket Shot. These are slingshots. And you can pull them back and shoot ball bearings out of them, or paintballs, or rocks. And they're very powerful. Literally, you can kill game as large as a deer with this, because these things will shoot arrows. And anyway, it's crazy. But this is their most powerful slingshot. This is not a toy for kids. Okay, it looks like a toy and it's fun like a toy, but it's called a pocket shot because you put this lid on it and that just goes in your pocket, and it can go anywhere. And you take it out and plink around with them. They are fun. Anyway, if you go to thepocketshot.com, you can find them there, or go to kenshamrock.com, and you can find these. This is a man toy, man, if I've ever seen one. Doesn't mean females can't have it. I mean, this is awesome. So it is just one of these super cool guy things that I would love to have a stocking full of these things. But all you need is one. And it comes with an extra pouch, and it also comes with a tactical pouch for it to go in that you can hang with a carabiner, and it actually comes with a carabiner. All that for $27, free shipping, and the most powerful slingshot out there. It's called the world's most dangerous pocket shot, or the world's most dangerous slingshot, and cool stuff. So I'm letting you guys in on another side of me. I'm a business guy too. Love it. And if you want to take, we have some classes. If you want to take some classes, go to groktrade.com right above us, and look at the classes that we have there. One of them's bound to suit you. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I'll be back in Atlanta at the end of January. I'm down there for another type of business that I'm a part of. I just love business. Any business guys out there and gals, 15% of the ones that go through our mentorship are females, 15% females. And they tend to be business owners or high in management, well educated. And so any of you gals or guys who are business owners, let me know. If you own a business, even leave, if you're on YouTube, leave your link. Let us know where your business is, what you do. It'd be interesting to hear what everyone does and see where you work. So anyway, that's it for now. Just be careful in the markets. It's very dangerous out there at this moment. In the next few days, if we don't see a rally in the markets, that just proves that there's nobody should be long in this market. Okay, that's what I'll share with you. So take care, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Like it if you like it, share it if you care. Guys, last couple weeks you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course out to help you during this time so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. I'm not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money, invest it into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see you.